Welcome back to Ride Review. Today, let's take a deep dive into the Suzuki Carry Campervan, a compact, practical, and surprisingly versatile vehicle that's turning heads in the camper community. With a starting price that won't break the bank, this campervan is designed for those seeking an affordable, compact adventure machine. Under the hood, the Suzuki Carry is powered by a 1.5-liter inline-four engine, which is modest but efficient, delivering just the right balance between performance and fuel economy. With its lightweight build, the engine doesn't have to work hard, so fuel efficiency is a strong point, perfect for long journeys or weekend getaways. It's paired with a simple 5-speed manual transmission, giving drivers that classic hands-on feel, which fits the no-fuss character of the Carry. One of the most appealing features of the Suzuki Carry Campervan is its incredibly compact size, making it highly maneuverable, even in tighter spaces. This is ideal for city driving and winding roads, where larger campervans might struggle. Despite its size, the Carry makes fantastic use of its interior space. With clever configurations, the cabin can be transformed into a mini living area, equipped with essentials like a compact bed setup, a foldable table, and storage compartments for camping gear. It's cozy yet practical, designed with functionality in mind. Moving to the design, the Suzuki Carry is all about simplicity and utility. It may not have the flashy looks of larger RVs, but it embraces a minimalist aesthetic that many find refreshing. The exterior is straightforward, featuring clean lines and a compact shape that prioritize function over flair. This campervan also boasts good ground clearance, allowing it to handle a variety of terrains with ease, making it a capable choice for light off-road adventures. Inside, the Carry's dashboard is similarly simple but efficient, with easy-to-read gauges and essential controls that are intuitive for the driver. The seats are well padded, offering decent comfort for longer trips. While it doesn't come with an array of high-tech features, it includes the essentials like a basic audio system and air conditioning, keeping the focus on what matters most, the journey. A unique selling point of the Suzuki Carry Campervan is its versatility. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple, or even a small family, this van provides just enough space and features to make your adventures comfortable without overloading you with extras. Thanks for tuning in to Ride Review. Make sure to come back tomorrow as we reveal some exciting new details about the Suzuki Carry Campervan to keep you in the loop. And as always, if you're on the lookout for honest, in-depth reviews, you're in the right place.